Good morning, friends. Here I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the IT company, information technology company. Company name is Ram Info. You can see that company is having 25 years of experience, and Ram Info is one of the leading provider of technology solution for some of the premium organization across the government, fintech, healthcare, smart energy, IoT, Internet of Things, analytics, engineering. You can see that companies covering the government sector, healthcare sector, fintech sector, energy sector, engineering services, Internet of Things. Okay, company offer the e-governance solution, fintech solution, healthcare solution, energy. So these are the award company has already taken. So you can read more information about the company in their website. So let's see more fundamental. Ram Info Limited is India's best information technology company. Market cap just 39 crore. Current price 58 rupees. High 77, low 13. P 10, very very good. IT company is having 10 P is very very good. Book value 27.6. Dividend nothing. Return on capital very very good 14. Return on equity 9.89. Face value 10. Advantage score 2.99 is very very good. Company is having maintained advantage score. Number of equity 0.67. Growth factor 4. Piotrowski 7, very very good. Reserve power reserve is 6.8 times of their debt. Asset power is price power is 0.3, very good. Asset power is 1.3 times of their debt. PEG ratio is 0.9, very very good, solid PEG ratio. Solidity 0.06 is saying that company is reducing their equity capital. Okay, now you can come into the maximum chart. This is the maximum chart of the company. Company is giving sudden upshoot in the price. Right now company is maybe showing some consolidation. Okay, but always check with your advisor before buying any kind of stock. So pros of the company is almost debt free, expected to give good quarter. Data has improved from 203 to 120 days. Company is reporting profit but not paying dividend. Company is holding 37. Promoter is holding low is 37%. Company has low return on equity 9.4%. Earning including other income 1.91. Mphasis, L&T, Oracle, Tata Elxsi, Coforge, Persistence doing same business done by Ram Info. You can see the company sale. Now it is growing 243, 256% growth, 200% growth, 363 growth, exponential growth in 2020, 2021. Awesome. Operating margin also improved 3% to 1% to 10% operating margin. Sudden growth. Interest. Company is reducing their interest 10 crore, 4 crore, 10 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh. Profit before tax. Earlier it was just 1 crore, now it is 2 crore. Net profit 1 crore, now it is 1.8 crore. Micro cap IT company, but performance very very good. You can see that company is at 2007 have 14 crore sales, now it is 77 crore, 95 crore. Operating margin earlier 18%, now it is operating margin is 1.84%. Operating margin is low, that's why the stock is not moving sometime. Other income, companies slowly improving their other income. Interest, companies paying basically interest, and basically they are also reducing 68 crore to 68 lakh to 19 lakh to 23 lakh per year. And profit before tax 1.8 crore, now it is 4.98 crore in now. Okay, net profit earlier 2 crore, now it is 3 crore. So compounded sales growth is 28%, compounded profit growth 11% for 5 years, stock sees at 25% 5 year, return on equity 10, very very good sign. Now one of the very very positive sign, the company is reducing their equity capital from 11.24, now it is just 6.7, very very good. Reserve, earlier it was 41 crore, now someone in 2012 was negative reserve, now it is slowly improving their reserve as well. All are showing a very very good and in positive direction for the company. Now inventories, company just having 0.45 lakh, 45 lakh inventory, trade is 25 crore, cash equivalent very low cash, loan advice 35, other asset minus. So asset is also growing from 33 crore to 63 crore. Cash from the activity, you can see the company is having very low cash here. Debtor days improve, inventory days improve, days payable no, cash conversion cycle improve very good, working capital improve very good, return on capital employed improve to 40, very good sign. Now one of the other positive sign, promoter was holding 33%, now improving to 36%, now improving to 37%. Wow, very good. Manager is giving a more attention on this company, holding it. Some of the known person are also buying this company, Ram Info. You can read about the particular promoter or person name in the public. Cut-off date of book value companies, that's something on 9 September. So that is news, you can read it here. So hope this particular video help you to understand the fundamental analysis of Ram Info Limited. Always buy this kind of stock after checking with your advisor. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.